Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Chip and dust extractor from Parkside, the model PASA 1200B2 with high performance thanks to the powerful 1200 watts motor, air output 215 cubic meter per hour, pressure difference 22 kPa, suction hose length 2 meters, collection volume 54 liters. Accessories included with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. There it is, huge, 70 centimeters high. We have the carrying handle, the dust inlet, the on-off switch, Parkside logo, the storage for the power cord, you can have it here, and of course the quick release locks, left and right, and you can remove the motor. Let's see what else we have inside this huge container with a diameter 33 centimeter. Paper filters. 1, 2, 3, 4 paper filters. The adapters, this is the hose connection, and we have adapter set, different length. You can remove these adapters and you will have different length. I like it. Hose clamps, 2, and the spiral hose with a length maximum 2 meters. I like it. Power cord, the length it is 2 meters. And of course we have the manual. The huge container, 54 liters. So how we can use the spiral hose? That goes inside this clamp and then install the spiral hose and tight it very well here with a screwdriver. Perfect. And the same at the other end. That was also easy. And then you can use the adapters. And here we have this filter. If you want, you can remove the filter, just pull, it is very tight. Okay, there it is. You can clean the filter after a long time of use. Silicone rubbers, very soft here. Inside it has a mesh. And of course you need to use one of these filter bags. Oh, it is very tight. But definitely this is not the proper way. You need to remove the filter, insert the bag inside, and then install it again. That is the right way. Definitely the filter bag, it will help to clean your inner filter, this filter, better. Because if you don't use the filter bag, you will have dust all over these gaps. I like that. Perfect. We can see and the inlet inside. And that was all. Let's test it. And of course you can use any power tool from Parkside. This jigsaw, no worries. Connect the adapter, the spiral hose, and you can use it. Nice. Or a circular saw, table saw, you name it. Any power tool with dust extraction, cordless or not. And not even from Parkside and from other brands like this Haichika circular saw. Very good tool, it cuts straight lines without any problems. You can check the video after the end of this video right in the corner. Connect the adapter and then the spiral hose and you can use it. Nice. Honestly, for its price point and versatility, only 79 euros, the dust extractor is a really solid investment for any DIY or hobbyist woodworker. It's significantly more effective than just a soap bag for fine dust, and the ability to switch between chip and dust extraction is a huge plus, especially as we move further in 2025, prioritizing workshop air quality and cleanliness is more important than ever, and this unit helps immensely. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Do you own the dust extractor or a similar dust extraction system? What has your experience been? What are your biggest challenges with dust control in your workshop? Are there any specific dust collection setups or tool you'd like us to review in the future? Let me know all your thoughts, tips and questions down below in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, informative or simply appreciate a cleaner workshop, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel out and lets us know you enjoy this content. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future tool reviews, workshop updates and DIY safety tips. Plus, check out some of our other workshop videos right here. Thanks so much for watching everyone. Stay safe, keep your workspaces clean and I'll catch you in the next one.